Bonjour tout le monde and welcome to Musings of a Fox. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Gabrielle and welcome to my Forever 21 Plus haul as voted by my followers on Instagram. I put it to a vote to see whether you guys wanted to see Forever 21 Plus or Fashion Nova, and the votes were 2-1 for Forever 21 Plus. So hit subscribe, hit like, and let's get into the haul. Okay, so first up for the tops, we have just a really simple basic tee, but with my basic comforty clothes, I still like them to have a little bit of something. I mean, I guess I own some basic t-shirts, but then they're going to be underlayers. When I'm looking for a shirt, I always want like a nice pop of color like this smoky mauve, but then also something really cool like this chokery edgy neckline. So that way it's a basic tee but it has this great edginess to it that makes it feel like it's a basic that really fits my personality and my style. So it's really just a great win. It's super soft, super comfy, and super cute. Because I'm a masochist and can never learn from previous experiences, I am a sucker for off-the-shoulder tops. If you saw my summer 2017 lookbook, you will have seen this gorgeous peach dress from Curvy Sense that I had to hack because I couldn't get this part to stay down, so I actually had to sew it to stay down. And I think I'm gonna have to end up doing the same for this top as well, because I literally cannot lift my arms or else I ruin all of this. I feel like this is the high heels of clothes, where men invented high heels so women can't run away, and now we have off-the-shoulder tops so we can't lift our arms lest we ruin the image. So while I love this look, it's very beautiful, especially in photos, it's just not practical. So maybe if you're going on a date night where you know that your partner is going to do literally everything for you, including possibly feed you, this might not be the top for you, but it is beautiful. I really do love it. So I'm gonna have to hack it and make it work, but it's frustrating because I also have a dress in this haul that's off the shoulder. Like I said, I'm a masochist and I hate myself, but fashion! For my second to last top, I have this really cute mustard sweater. I really didn't think mustard was going to go with my new hair, so I really regretted not filming this before I got my hair done, but actually I think it turned out pretty cute. And as you can tell, yes, this sweater has a hood. It is a very comfy sweater. It's a light Bay Area winter sweater, fall probably in some other places, but it has a very cute little hood. Now I probably have hood hair, but whatever. I really love the little elements of this sweater. I love that it has these cute little tie wrists. That way there's a lot of room so I can bring it up my arms like I prefer to wear most of my sweaters without feeling like I'm damaging or stretching out the arm. The hood is very cute, as is the sweet little kind of medieval Renaissance neckline element. Very reminiscent of the mauve top from earlier. It's just really sweet. I even feel like I could wear this like under a corset or a bodice for the Ren Fair, so it's really kind of like a multi-use top. It's very cute, it's very comfortable, and you can Ren Fair in it. What's better than that? All for less than $15. So yeah, this is, I think, one of my favorite pieces, one of the pieces I know I'm going to be wearing frequently. It's not cushy soft like the mauve off the shoulder top, but it is a lot softer than a dress you're going to see a little bit later. It's a perfect blend. I'm actually not wearing any top underneath. It feels good against my bare skin, but you could easily put a top under this, still have enough room, still be comfortable to wear. So yeah, it's sweet and simple and I love it. I think this is the clickbaitiest thing I have ever worn in a YouTube video. I don't know what I was thinking. My gothy metal oats were just screaming at me when I saw a lace bodysuit. I think I naively thought there's a chance that it might be lined. It's not lined. This is just my like half-nakedness. Yeah. Luckily I have a cute bralette to go under it, but this is a lot. But you know what, I really do appreciate that a brand is making a plus-size bodysuit made of lace for plus-size bodies. I think that's great. I know this is something that straight-size women wouldn't even think twice about something being available to them. I think it's just really fantastic to have this available to a bunch of different body types. That being said, I will probably never wear this out of my house like this. This is definitely something I would wear underneath a dress, probably like the red velvet dress I have in this haul. I think that would be a really cool element to add a little bit of coverage to it while staying sexy and fun and flirty. But nope, I'm not going outside the house with all of this exposed. I do have a kind of sheer meshy top that I wear a bralette underneath, but they give me more coverage. It's also a kind of top that hangs, and so it's not body tight, whereas the bralette underneath is body tight, so it's a kind of a contrast. Yeah, the half naked Instagram model is not my speed, but if it's yours, this is a really comfortable bodysuit. I thought it'd be really itchy. I thought it would be really kind of tight, and no, it's actually great. The snaps are holding. I have this bodysuit fully on, and even though I have a really long torso, I'm not having trouble moving in it and feeling like it's gonna snap at any second, which I've experienced with other bodysuits, even Forever 21 plus ones. So I highly recommend this one because it's really stretchy, really comfortable, and really beautiful. I'm gonna put some clothes on now. Okay, so I couldn't resist an off-the-shoulder black sweater dress. Obviously, this is not quite a dress on me, and therefore this is going to be a very long sweater. I can like hardly move for fear that anything will right up and show, but there's my itty bitty butt. There's my tum, which I actually don't really mind in kind of bodycon style dresses. That doesn't bother me. I mind when the dress only goes like 3 inches below my vajayjay. That's not my personal style, but if you like that style, here is a dress that will give you that style. This dress is not the same material as the mauve dress. This has a bit of a ribbing texture to it. It's definitely a synthetic something, and so it's definitely really warm. But then again, I'm filming in my room with there you go, with 2 lights, and so it's not normal circumstances, but it's very, very warm, which could be good if you live in colder things that are not the Bay Area. But it's just kind of slightly uncomfy. I think if I had something separating it from my arms. I also don't really like things that go this low and tight. I think that's another issue. I don't think, even though it's a 2X, I don't think it's the right size for me. I think to be comfortable in this style of dress, I would have needed a 3X because the arms are just really tight. They're hot. I can't move my arms because of the off the shoulder, so it's just, there's a lot of caveats. Even though I feel it looks cute, there's a lot of caveats to making this actually work for me. So I think it's going to have to be something I modify and I wear in very specific circumstances. And just, yeah, let's just say this is the loser of everything I got. So if 8 out of 9 are great and this was the one, then I'm still going to call it a win. I'm going to call it a win. Let me show you the other things. Longtime watchers should be not at all surprised that I of course had to buy something wine colored, something burgundy, and because it's winter, something velvet. I know velvet is really on trend. I think velvet's always on trend for winter, but I just see a lot more companies coming out with a bunch of different styles of velvet. The little velvet dress has always been a staple. I've had one for years that I got from some fast fashion brand that's lasted. I have it in many, many colors, but somehow I didn't have a little burgundy velvet dress. And now I do, and I love it. I think it is a great blend of a plus size dress that doesn't mean that I need to be super duper covered in fabric. It's short, it's cute, and it's something similar that you can get in a straight size. So it's not one of those things where they've wholly revamped how a dress will work on a plus size body versus a straight size body. So I am extremely happy. It is a little short. So maybe if you're going somewhere where you're concerned about that, you might want to throw on some tights. This to me would be a date night dress where I'm feeling a little sexy, but if I was going to a more family-oriented event, I probably would put on some tights just to avoid any starlet style accidents. But I think this is one of my favorite pieces of everything I got in this haul. It's just so me, it's so perfect. I feel gorgeous in it, and I think that's what you really want in a piece of clothing. Something that as soon as it goes on your body, you feel awesome. Full marks from me. So because I can't wear velvet all the time, I needed another short, cute little dress and a non-velvet fabric. So this dress is an apology to myself for that boohoo dress that was so very camel and not at all like a beautiful pale blush color like it was on the website. So I got this dress for myself because I honestly haven't worn that boohoo dress since I got it because it was a terrible color and it made me feel terrible. It was way too short. So it's a little bit longer, still short, but longer than the red velvet dress. And I've already worn this dress to work actually. I ripped open the bag and I pulled this one out because I knew, especially since I just got my hair recolored, that I needed something awesome for the first day at work with my new hair color. So I already have road tested this dress and this dress is fantastic and it's super comfortable, super flattering. I wore it with tights and little ankle boots and I felt amazing. I actually had people besides my hair color, you know, stopping me, asking me about this dress. And so I think this is a great steal of a find at Forever 21. It's just, yeah, it's really sweet. I'm going to be able to take it from winter to spring and maybe into summer for, you know, nights when I want a darker color. So yeah, I think this is a perfect dress to be year-round, but in kind of a fall-winter color. So a great staple. So I kind of feel like a little bit of a jerk showing off this piece, but I can't help it. I don't think this piece is available on the website anymore, but I wanted to show it to you to show what kind of cute, diverse offerings Forever 21 Plus does have. So this was a jacket that was on final sale when I got it, so I don't think it's available, but it is this sweet, cute kind of riding jacket style, but it's done in velvet. Unfortunately, it does have the downside that it shows how inexpensive it is in the collar. The collar is very floppy. It doesn't stay at the seam. So maybe that's why it was final sale more than the thing just going out of style. It was just not made the best they could do it. So while once it's buttoned, it's a lot better. It is just a little too floppy, so I'm gonna have to go in, probably do some structuring, a little bit of sewing down, but it's such, I think this was $14 for me, so I really can't complain too much when you get a light jacket for $14. So I'm just gonna kind of home brew it, and maybe I'll be posting that on my Instagram once I figure out how I'm going to fix it up a little bit. But if you can get pieces like this that just need a little bit of tweaking, it really is a great way to save money and hone your crafting skills. So still a win. Still happy. So cute. Hope there's a few available for you guys. I'm sorry. Alrighty, so for my fourth and final dress, I give you this piece I thought was going to be a hot mess. I don't know about you guys, but there's always something when I'm ordering online where there's just one piece I get where I'm just unsure how it's going to be once it actually gets to me. And I'll have to say, this dress and the photos on the website didn't actually look like much, but I couldn't resist a kind of grungy Renaissance sleeve, cold shoulder kind of dress. The only problem is this little bit is very, very short. This is not an actual dress length. So I would highly recommend some discretion shorts underneath, or just something, or maybe it's, I don't know. I don't know why you would make a lining for a dress that is just so short. I mean, if it was maybe here, it would just be a little bit better, or if it was just fuller length and has a split like the dress does lower down. You guys will have to check out this dress for a full styled shot on my Instagram, also at Musings of a Fox. I just can't show you the fullest of full bodies, but this dress actually turned out to be beautiful. It may, again, be something I kind of have to hack at and either cut out the line here and wear a slip under it, or I'm going to try it with shorts. It's just a little frustrating to have something that just doesn't make sense, but to have so many beautiful elements. Like, look at this back detail. I wouldn't have expected something like this for the price that I paid, and it's really beautiful. It just has some downsides that are just irking me, but yeah, no, this is very short. The underbit of this is shorter than the black off-the-shoulder dress, but not by much. They're both dangerously short to be dresses, so I don't really know what to say about that, but I do think this dress is beautiful. I am very happy with it. So 2.75 out of 4 dresses are awesome. So, you know, I think with everything, especially in a haul of this size, you're going to have some hits and misses, but that's what I'm here to show you guys. That, you know, YouTubers a lot of the time show perfection. I'm here to show you guys that when you're ordering for these things, it can go awry for everybody. So, whee! Also, I'm having a bit of an issue because when I film these hauls, I just pull it out of the bag and I throw it on myself. So I'm never quite wearing the right bra, not wearing quite the right underwear, but I want to show you guys really what it's like when you buy something and you throw it on. On my Instagram, I will have more styled shots for these outfits, so you can see once I figure out the kinks of some of them, how they look IRL versus in my bedroom. But I am having an issue where this is just not the right bra. I'm wearing a strapless bra, so this dress can just really not handle a strapless bra. You either need a long line that's going to give you more support so the dress isn't having to support your chest, or you're going to need a traditional strapped bra because this material is opaque enough that it wouldn't show your straps. But yeah, I just do not recommend a high cupped strapless bra with this dress. You win some, you lose some, you 0.75 some. I want to thank you guys for watching. I have now done a bunch of different plus size clothing brands and I want to hear what you guys want to see. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do plus size fashion, I do makeup tutorials, and I have started a new series on body positivity that's a bit of a video essay format. You can check out the introduction video up here in the cards. There should be an eye, maybe around here. So yeah, check out that intro video. It's a series I'm about to start, and I would love your guys' feedback and what you'd like to hear from the series. I'll see you next time. Bye!